Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Shuriken paper step by step. Fold a square sheet diagonally and crease sharply to mark center lines. Use 2 identical squares for a 4-point Shuriken and align edges precisely. Keep folds crisp by running a fingernail or bone folder along each crease. Work on a clean, flat surface and take your time to ensure symmetry and balanced points for safe throwing practice. Start by folding each square into a kite shape and reinforcing every crease to keep shape stiff. Match corresponding tabs and pockets so the 2 halves interlock cleanly without glue. If tabs resist, slightly adjust angles until they slide in smoothly and hold tension. Trim tiny excess paper for cleaner edges and press seams flat so the Shuriken holds shape. Test balance by spinning gently and adjusting points until it feels right. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. It really helps. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love those leak-proof meal prep containers I keep mentioning because they keep my workspace tidy between folds and snacks. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one too. Now let's get back to the video. Refine points by trimming small triangular tips to reduce sharpness while keeping the classic look. Balance the Shuriken by squeezing symmetry into each quadrant and making micro adjustments to folds so it spins evenly. Always test throws at low speed toward a safe target and never aim at people or animals. Wear safety glasses if practicing frequently, and keep finished Shuriken in a safe place away from children and breakable objects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.